Hi everyone, this is a very quick cake topping, so let's get on it. You're gonna need one white cake mix. You can use a box or homemade. 1.5 cups of vanilla pudding, a Cool Whip, and a crushed pineapple. So first off, I'm gonna poke holes in the cake and then pour some crushed pineapple on top and spread it really nice and even. And I'm going to use some juice with that as well, just to soak into that cake. It's going to give it such a lovely flavor. And I'm also spreading on top of that that whole entire 1.5 cups of pudding. This is vanilla pudding once again. And this is just going to give a really nice, soft texture to the cake. And it really tastes really light. This cake is so light. It's like a cloud, like you're eating a cloud, really. So you want to pour the rest of that pineapple on top. You don't have to pour the rest of the juice. You could just pour some of that pineapple on top. And of course, we're going to top that off with the Cool Whip. This is so easy. If you want to make homemade whipped cream, please feel free. But this is just so easy, especially if you're cooking a lot of food in the summertime for people. You want to make it as easy as possible with the dessert. So this is such a light and fluffy topping to add on top of a cake. It's so easy. Everybody loves a fruit cake in the summertime, and this is so lovely. A lot of people use strawberries, but I felt the need to use pineapple. And it reminded me of Dole pineapple drink. I don't know if you've ever tried that before. It's so good. So it kind of gave me that feel to this, and I think this is an absolutely lovely topping for a delicious cake. My husband told me it is one of the best cakes he's ever had of mine. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, liking. It means so much to me. Till next time, bye.